a vision.
Ushuthi kunombono.
There's a call from God. But
Kunobizo
what does the devil do? He comes
Wenza
with
nawo
another seed
Uza nenye nje imbewu.
to disturb
Dimphazamisa.
the call of God,
Bizo
to
likaNkulunkulu.
disturb
Phazamisa.
your visions, to
Umbono.
disturb your
Phazamisa.
career, to
Ukufa
disturb,
lakho.
to
Phazamisa.
disturb, to
Phazamisa.
disturb,
Iphazamise.
to disturb your career,
Phazamise.
to disturb your career,
Phazamise.
to disturb your career.
Phazamise.
He comes with a different seed. What?
Yini?
To stop what? The
Viva
career.
ini. Ikusasa yakhe.
What? You are stopping a job.
Uvimba umsebenzi
You
wakhe.
are stopping a job.
Uvimba umsebenzi wakhe.
Look, she dreamt herself working as a teacher. But the enemy comes to stop it.
Izezumvimba.
The seed will take it out.
Imbewu
The
siyayikhipha.
process continues.
Yaqhubeka.
The process continues.
Uhambo luyaqhubeka.
The process
Uhambo
continues.
luyaqhubeka.
We remove you in her position.
Khipha isikhundleni
You
sakhe.
resign. You resign. You
Uyahamba,
resign.
uyahamba.
You resign.
Ushiya phasi.
You resign.
Ushiya phasi.
You resign.
Ushiya phasi. Yayeka.
Now you think somebody uhlele in a position, mele positive vuleke for wena. Ukamuthi umuntu uhlele natural. No, they've got charms.
Banemithi.
Bahlele ngani ngemithi. Angisuki mina la. Angisuki kuphi mina la. But now we come
Manje siyeza.
with a vision.
Nombono ovela kuNkulunkulu.
With a vision from God.
Mbono ovela
You are
kuNkulunkulu.
going to resign.
Hey,
We kick you out.
Zakhipha.
You are going to resign.
Uzoshiyela phasi.
You are going to resign.
Uyoshiya phasi.
Imithi yakho iyabola namuhla.
No.
Imithi yakho iyabola namuhla. She's taking a job.
Uthatha umsebenzi.
She's taking a job.
Uthatha umsebenzi wakhe.
She's taking a job.
Uthatha umsebenzi wakhe.
No.
What?
Kwenzekile.
I want to say she's
will not
taking a
happen.
job.
Uthatha umsebenzi wakhe.
I want to say it's happening now.
No.
Now.
Jeka manje.
Now. You resign. I kick you
Ushiya
out.
phasi kuyakhipha.
It's over.
Phelile.
You resign.
Ushiya
She
phasi.
steps into that position.
Uyangena kuleso
You
sikhundla.
go.
Uyahamba.
You go.
Uyahamba.
It's over. It's over. It's over. Father, thank you for giving her this position. Thank you for replacing her enemies. In Jesus' name. It's done. It's done. Now you go back to work.
Emsebenzini.
Hey, you didn't see it's a vision
Mbono
being fulfilled.
ofezekayo.
You get it? We spoke here, it becomes what? A vision.
Mbono.
Mawuyela emsebenzini. Yahamba nene. Sengithola umsebenzi somewhere. Wona umuntu uyahamba. No. Something has come.
Khona uzofika. Uzomxoxa ukhahlelele
Kick out.
Uzomkhipha.